Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Here's a short little video on how to make a canopy, and you want the details of the canopy to show. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to first make a little makeshift fuselage. So I'm going to create a form, and it's going to be a cylinder, and I'll put that on this face here. Let's go ahead and use the center here. Click OK. And I'm just going to pull this up. Okay. Here's canopy. Or haven't drawn it yet, but so we have this here. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and patch the ends of this and turn this into a solid body. Then stitch the three together. Create a sketch. Let's use a line tool here. Use the line tool again and say we want something like this. Actually, cancel this. I'm going to use an offset. Let me cancel this too, but to use an offset here, I've got to project this onto the plane. Okay, finish sketch here. Excuse me. Now, go back to solids here, and I want to split the body. This is the body to split, and the splitting tool is going to be this line here. Click OK. Now we can turn the bottom off here. Now, going to split body again. This is the body, this line. Okay, now we have this. Turn the sketches back on. Split body again. This is the body. And Now we have our body here. Now what you want to do here, since this is all separate here, we're going to combine these. So combine this. Okay, now we have this portion here. Now come up here to modify, and we want to use offset face. Select that. Then move this down. Let's go for -1. Click OK. Or -1 looks a little too much. Let's go for -0.5. Okay, it's better. Click OK. Same thing. -0.5. Click OK. And same thing for the back. Okay. Now this is slightly down in there. So this section here is raised. Well, it's actually not raised. The section here is just down farther, and it looks raised like you want. So this stays, the outside this stays matched with this portion here instead of being raised away from the body. So after you do this, then you just come back up here to combine, and then select the tool bodies. Click OK. And now you have this as a solid body. Then what you can do, use the shell command. Shell the whole thing. And I don't know what, let's say, and there you have that. And there's your canopy with the raised portions. Then you can even make this look a little better. Faces. And that's what you have now. Then you can add color to it. Okay. And now you have that. And you can see this is raised here and everything. All right, so that's going to do it for this short little video. One of my subscribers had some questions about doing something like this. And so that's how you do that. So I hope this video helps you out, helps everybody out. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave them down in the comments or on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look over there. Oh, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, so that's going to do it for this video, and catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.